Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you all how to get money off playing games on your phone. So I'm gonna give you a rundown off this app that I use to get money myself. It's called Free Cash. You can't download it on the App Store. It's not an app. It is a website. I will show y'all how to do it, but just to show y'all, like, I got some money in here. Here are the options to download. Or I mean, not download, but like get your money. These are like the recommended stuff, PayPal and the crypto stuff. So if you have those are like the preferred methods, you know, the bank transfer. But if you don't have those, you can also withdraw gift cards. They do have a lot of gift card options and skins. As to how to get these cards, you go to the earn side, boom, and they got offers recommended for you, like Monopoly Go, animals. Like, you could see all the ways you get money through playing the game. Like, you get money for progressing through the game, which is pretty awesome. So I'm gonna show y'all how to get this app. You just gotta go in Safari, or you could also press in my affiliate link. Just type in freecash.com, and then you just have to scroll down and either sign up in 3 different ways. I would recommend using Google process, the Google stuff. Yeah, I already signed up myself, but it should be pretty easy. You just gotta log in and put in your stuff. Now, since I'm already logged in, I'm gonna just go to the Free Cash on Safari over here. I'm gonna show y'all how to get this on your app. So you just gotta press that, scroll down where it says add to home screen, and then here, once you got that, you could find it in your home page, boom. And so I'm gonna show y'all how to get the Monopoly Go going. Let's go earn off Monopoly. So you just gotta go press on the game, play and earn. Then it's gonna lead you to the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, you gotta make sure you know your Apple ID information, and it should download. Okay, so I got the game on. I would allow notifications just to get caught up with the stuff. This is a very important step. You gotta allow Monopoly Go to track your activity across other companies, apps, and websites. This is what allows you to get this is how Free Cash tracks your progress on the game. So you just put in your age. I'm just follow the instructions over here. Play with friends, sign in as Apple. So you get more rewards if you sign in. I'm gonna sign in with Apple. Just go through the intro. I think it's unskippable, so I'm gonna just skip through this. Just go through the tutorial. Just going through it. You know, just vibe out. You're playing a video game, man. Just have fun. Token. I'm gonna pick the top hat. Let's see how this goes. Boom, let's roll. Alright, looks like we just gotta knock down buildings. Let's go, just want cash. Alright, I think that's been about 2 minutes. Let's go back to the Free Cash app. Over here. It's not loading right now. Let me see. Let's go to my offers. Press that. So the game does give you offers like these, limited offers. This is like a pretty simple way to make money, because if you do the instructions right here, you basically get $2. But like, you do gotta be strategic with it. You don't want to go over or under. So yeah, I got $0 for installing the game, but for board 4, boom, 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 boom. Now, as to redeem the rewards, I can't redeem rewards myself right now because I don't got enough money. But how you usually do it is, like, let's say you want to withdraw it to your PayPal. Okay, it might be out of stock, so you might have to wait for those, but they do got Visa gift cards, so you could just redeem. You just gotta press on these, withdraw, and then they'll give you a code. Just follow the instructions. So when I got my cash out, you just gotta go on the notifications pretty much, and when I cashed out a few days ago, all I had to do was wait for the notification and cash out. This process, as to actually getting the money, you'll probably have to wait a week. Like as you can see here, I got this withdrawable soon, so you don't get the money immediately after playing through the games, but it's okay because it's just processing and you don't gotta worry too much about it. So I hope this video is informative, and I hope y'all are able to get money. Please leave a like, comment if it's helped you, and yeah, that's all I got. Peace.